Hi everyone, welcome to our Way2mining app, an ultimate platform for mining educational contents. Through this app, you can explore library of mining courses for DGMS statutory exams, government exams and mining related interview preparations. In the home screen, you can see purchased courses, featured courses and trending courses. In store section you can all the course contents of our app. In chat section, we can directly chat with us for any doubts or any help if you need. By clicking on the left corner section, you can see with a variety of options. In this you can view free materials that are available in our courses. Our course contents are created by myself and my colleagues who are passed out from Anna University Chennai, and also cleared first class examination conducted by DGMS. You can navigate through our seamlessly and our user interface design help you find the content you want at ease. Whether you are mining students or professional, Way2mining will enrich your knowledge and will take you to greater depth. Download Way2mining app today and start your mining education journey.